Hello, good morning! By the way, good morning pa rin nakikinig. Medyo bumper yata tayo ngayon. Well, anyway, highway. Shoutouts po sa mga nakikinig ngayon at manggugulo na naman ang iyong lingkod, Lenmark Pasqua, also known as your host, Imo Montico. So, anyway, highway. My background for today was theme song of Flame of Reka. Hope you like that song, man. And palakpakan isang matindi. Yeah. So, chica, di natin mag-isay. Well, mga guys and girls, kaya lang, medyo kagising ko lang po. At good morning po sa lahat. Then, eto na po ngayon sa ating this is the part 2 of episode 5 of Top 10 Pinoy YouTube Channels. So, meron yung, nabanggit mo natin na yung 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, was 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, we discussing about and showcasing some Pinoy YouTube channels. So, these YouTube channels are this is mostly our Filipino na talagang nag-trend on the YouTube channel. Yes, yeah. And hey, well, anyway, if you want to subscribe their channel, talagang isubscribe nyo dahil talagang aside from the good cool facts, masosupportan po natin ating mga kapwa Pinoy YouTube channel to spread all over the world. Yeah, man. And hey, by the way, highway, isa naman pong 15 minutos na naman po ng kaguluhan po na magaganap po ngayong araw na to. Dahil ito po ay showcase po natin yung top 10. Meron pa tayo 5 more to go na i-discuss. So, this was ranked according to their subscribers. So, here we go. Let's begin. Highway. Now, let's begin for this shit. Come on, let's do this. Ito na po, mga kaibigan, at number 5 sa ating part 2, episode 5, the top 10 Pinoy YouTube channels, goes to Kong TV, na mayroon pong 77,089 subscribers. Kong TV. Ito talagang, for me, Kong TV is one of my favorite YouTube channels and a YouTubers. So, showcase po niya kayong genre po kaya materials ay mostly was comedy. And mostly are comedy, and talagang ito po yung video vlog po niya. Talagang isa yung typical na mga sabihin natin mga mukhang tambay sa kanto. Pero ito ay talagang brilliant tong taong ito, yung pagiging natural niya. Sometimes meron po siya mga thoughts o opinion na talaga naman ito hindi basta-basta po siya nagpapatawa. Minsan po talagang may hugot po talaga ng isa yung part po na paborito ko po sa kanya yung mga yung sa isang episode niya yung 10 utos na kung mabaho na yung 10 utos talaga mapapa, diba? So kagang ang saya, diba? Ay, grabe yata yung sound effect ko ngayon. Well, Kong TV, meron po sa bukod po sa mga ibang comedy, gumawa rin po siya ng isang comedy skit. So, Even din ito po talaga nagpapatunay na hindi po kailangan ng, sabihin natin, hindi po kailangan ng medyo fancy na gadget para lamang po basta meron kayong utak at talino po na mag-editing ay pwede ka na mag-isa sa pag-YouTube. So hindi ko naman sinasabing grabe yung ang kanyang YouTube channels, dahil yun mo naman, oh, hey, look at this. If you don't believe it, just check his channel, Kong TV, on the YouTube. 77,089. So I think it's still on counting subscribers. So pinaka-trend po talaga yung talagang itong taong to, dapat brilliant. So hey, hands down, I will give you a big loud of applause. Oy, kumagka, shoutout mo sa isa sa mga channel mo. Well, here we go. Play mo, preka. Oh, good old days, man. At the number 4 goes to one of my personal favorite. Yeah, it's Glocko. Hey guys, welcome to the Glocko. Wow, I hope sarap gayahin niyo si Glocko, no? Minsan I just wish that I want to be like him. Yeah, but editing on some video, siguro marami pa akong dapat matutunan. Well, anyway, hey, okay. Glocko TV. Sorry. Glocko. So, Glocko. Ito yung minsan, ito isa sa pumatok. Kung may napanood kayo sa YouTube o sa Facebook, minsan to sa Facebook na may yung nagpasimunang parody ng Train to Busan Part 1, 2, and 3 for something. Siya po ang nagpasimuna po iyon dahil napagtripan po yan yung parody po yan. Pero ang kanyang main objection po ng kanyang channel was gaming. So self-proclaim po siya na PewDiePie on Pinoy PewDiePie. Well, anyway, karapat-dapat naman itong taong ito dahil talaga napaka-brilliant. So ito ay talagang hindi po talagang first will know some he's in his when the way on delivery on his speed in streaming while he's playing some games na pure English na may iba siguro na hindi magaling isip no nosebleed. Well, anyway, highway. Ito iba kasi na pagkakamala to the Korean or someone. So, wow, grabe, pogi mo, Korean, ha? So, Glocko na may 140,350 subscribers. At bukod yung parody is just fun for making people happy, fun, stress-free. Di namang lagi naman. Pero yung pinaka main source of his bread was his gaming channel. Talaga namang wow, grabe, talagang mapapa big loud applause ka talaga. Kaya Glocko.
Ang saya, di ba?
Doon. Oy, Glocko. Shout out kita, ha. Dadami na, yayaman ka na naman dyan. Yayaman ka dahil sa akin. Well, anyway, moving on to number 3 na may 506,802 subscriber. Walang iba, wari ko, ito po yatang pioneer ng Dub Smash before Main Mendoza, Moy Palaboy. Siyempre naman po, bago po yan nag-hit po sa Bubblegum at maging nakikita nyo dun sa I Believe, the May Palaboy was the ay binubuo ng magkapatid na Rod Peel and James and Rod Peel, the two duos na they decide to put on the webcam, do some stuff. Especially pumatak yung Marimar na naging glow, not even na hindi lang sa Pilipinas po na nag-trend po ang May Palaboy, kundi globally po, na may nga po iba pong foreigners pa na gumagaya, like recently I think that was Latina nagginaya yung Marimar, yung Order Taker, na nakaka-flatter po. Siyempre as a Pilipino natutuwa po ako na imbis na tayong gumaya, sila pa gumagaya sa atin eh. So siguro may opinion, May Palaboy talagang siguro deserving talaga na ngayon. Kita mo naman yung sinasabi nila, sipag, tiyaga talaga na makikita nyo. Yun, nasa na sila ngayon, nasa Bubblegum. So yeah, kaya nga
ang saya, diba?
Yun. So by the way, moving on, bago maubos ang oras, was number 2. Flip Top na may 1,874,156 subscribers. So sa mga Flip Top enthusiasts yan, fans like me, na recently to my past episode 4, ay pinicture ko na po ito ng mga top 10 personal pick ko, favorite na Flip Top MC. By the way, highway shout out to Enigma na may kasalanan lahat kung bakit po nagkaroon tayo ng debatihang malulupit na galito. Well, Flip Top was the Filipino rap battle conference na nag-start way back 2010 or 11. Nasalamat pala sa aking pinsan po na si Renz Pasqua. Kung nakikinig ka, just say hello, man. Salamat sa iyo na nagpamulat mo sa mundo ng Flip Top. So kahit hindi kahit rock, kahit siguro katong genre ng taste mo, siguro pag sinabing Flip Top, kahit sang kanto pag-uusapan kahit sa computer shop lang So well, anyway, so marami kayo may isang haters, pero mas marami ang biruin mo naman 1 million napakabigat Enigma, yaman mo na
Wow!
Oh yun, balato raw sabi ni Sinyo. Well, anyway, highway, moving on tayo sa number 1. Before we reveal the top 1, here comes the recap for our from 10 to 1. Here we go. At number 10, Rakista Radio. At number 4, Casey Gregorio. Ay, grabe. Kung di nyo kilala si Casey Gregorio, siya po yung tatawag na The Yoga Girl. Well, Brusco Bros. 8. 7, Sir Jack Show. 6, Senpai Zaku. 5, Kong TV. 4, Gloco. 3, May Palaboy. 2, Flip Top. At number 1, nauubos na ang oras. May 284,290,184 subscriber. Radio Republic PH na sino-showcase po ang mga musical at peace, mapa-underground man at mainstream na Filipino rock show. So wala naman tayong oras na naman po, lintik na yan. May time limit ng aking pagla-live. Well, anyway, sana na-enjoy nyo po to. Well, this is Ibu Matic Rapake Show. Just subscribe those channels Di kayo magsisisi. Guarantee